Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Greek 2002. Today here, guys, I recently found out / noticed that my cruise control here, you guys see it right here, cruise control, the on-off switch, okay, is no longer working. Now, why is that? I figure it's not broken. I figure instead what it is that because I changed out completely my car's ECU. It's a 2.0 non-turbo engine. This car is a 2014 VW Jetta MK6 Jetta S model. The basic 2-liter motor with the automatic transmission. There's no manual here. Okay, so I found when I tried to turn on my cruise control with the on switch on and the button going at least, roughly good speed, okay, the icon here would not turn on. So I figured it's not broken. It's probably a programming issue because I changed my ECU. Alright, so I just went ahead and programmed it on my VCDS here. So what did I do? To go ahead and program it, I went to engine here, okay, and then I went to coding 2, number 11 here, and then I clicked here, and it shows you. See that what it says there? Make it better for you guys. There you go. It's showing the code is 11463 for cruise control activation. So in here, I went ahead, I deleted everything. I put 11463, okay, and then I press do it. You press do it, okay, and that's it. It's done. So how are you going to know that you actually made it work? Well, what I did was, I went for a quick test drive. The car didn't work for the cruise control. It wasn't working. So what I did was, I pulled into a side street, I turned the motor off, took the key out of the ignition, opened the door, closed the door, the driver's door that is, locked the car, okay, while still sitting in the car. I then unlocked the car with the key remote, opened the door, closed the door, the driver's door again, and then started the car and went on a second test drive. On the second test drive, my cruise control indeed worked, and worked perfectly. The very first time I turned this button on, bam! The green light here saying cruise control came on. I took my foot off the gas pedal, and oh my goodness, the car was driving all on its own via cruise control. Absolutely wonderful, guys. So you guys have the same problem where you've switched out the ECU, either it broke and you bought a new one, either you got a chipped one like I did. So there you have it, guys. A very quick video today showing you guys how to program your cruise control on your MK6 Volkswagen years 2011 to 2018. Alright, this is the Jetta S model version. So if you have SE or SEL or GLI, it might be a tad bit different, but most likely it's not different. Okay, so guys, please throw a huge like on this video and subscribe for more content. Take care, have a good day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.